up, and
we have 2 thumbs up. That means drivers hands off the controllers in 3, 2, 1, go!
away we go. Radioactive lining up on blue, shooting, missing 3. 6189, their partner, have landed some. Red's classifier filling up 6-7. The gate clearing on its own. 26987 moving up, but they really didn't have to do a lot. Radioactive shooting again, landing 2 out of 3. Much better. 24928 for the Red Lions. Hyperion's robot lining up, thinking about it, and shooting. Team from Avon, Indiana. Their robot is standing still as we come to the end of Auton. Red ahead by about 15-20 points. Close match so far.
3, 2, 1.
Here we go. 26987 disentangles, moves, shoots, misses. Radioactive for blue coming up, picking up some more in the depot zone. Shoots, lands 3 beautiful purple artifacts. Hyperion actively feeding their robot. 24928. Really got to watch those fingers. The robot is fast and blazingly accurate so far. High voltage meanwhile shooting, missing, but then landing 3 in a row. Very nice. Hyperion coming back, loading their turret. Lines, shoots 2 purple, misses. There is a green artifact spinning in there underneath the purple that's kind of bobbling. They are trying to disengage with that. Radioactive, meanwhile, lining up again on the blue goal, shooting, landing 3 purple artifacts. Very nicely done. Red still ahead by about 25 points, maintaining their lead. The team from Avon lining up and shooting. They also land 2 out of 3. Their robot's a bit of a broader wheelbase compared to the robot from Romania, and a little less tall, though there's not much to call between those two. Here we go. Hyperion scoring again nicely. They get into a little contact or kerfuffle between their own red robot. The blue loading zone is now full based on what the robot did. High voltage picking up a couple of artifacts here. But Hyperion comes back, and Hyperion's human helper, Bianca, loading. Contact in the launch zone called on the blue robot. Radioactive trying to clear the blue classifier as we go to end zone, going to their depot. 13 seconds left. We start the countdown. Red is steadily ahead by about 90 points. Not a whole lot of contact. And they pop
I'm on the board. Results for match 53 go to the Red Alliance. The score of 261 to 116. Red Alliance walks away with 5 ranking points, a significant upward motion. No ranking points will mean a mixed bag on blue.